Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Windy app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you go down here, you click on this sign down here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just go above settings, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down, you come here to search up layer and location, just click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You go down, you come here to remember one hour entry hour settings here, just click in this sign. So in first you have to get premium, then automatically it's going to enable video on your Windy app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.